The Vivo X200 Ultra is generating major excitement as one of the most ambitious flagship releases of 2025. Slated for launch in April 2025 in China, the device is packed with next-gen hardware and premium features that place it firmly in the ultra-premium category. It's expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite processor, offering cutting-edge AI performance, improved efficiency, and flagship-level speed. On the photography front, the X200 Ultra is rumored to boast a powerful camera array including a 200MP Samsung HP9 periscope telephoto lens, 85mm, along with 250MP Sony LYT 818 sensors for ultra-wide and standard shots, continuing Vivo's partnership with Zeiss for optical excellence. The display will likely be a 6.82-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals and smooth scrolling. Powering all of this is a 6,000 mAh battery with 90W wired fast charging, ensuring long life and minimal downtime. While an exact launch date hasn't been confirmed, Vivo has officially stated that the X200 Ultra will debut in China this April, though global availability remains uncertain.